Okay. This arbor, I guess, cabana. But anyway, it's leaning. You can see it leaning this way. It's beyond the scope of this inspection. It's not attached. It's not a structure. It's not contracted. Not paid for. The wood rot around the bases. And just about everywhere I see it fastened with two fasteners. The two fasteners allows for movement like a hinge. Three fasteners would hold it in place. That's why it's leaning, is because everything was two fasteners. And it allows it to move like that. So I wouldn't recommend I wouldn't rely on that hammock for a good nap.